Hey guys, it's Janice from Paul's Dream and Joy. We're going to be making a really cute card today, and I just think it's beautiful. It's one of my favorite ones that we're going to be making. And it wasn't hard, and I used scrap paper, so yay. All right, here we go. This is the ink that we're using. It's Stampin' Up Cherry Cobbler. This is also Stampin' Up, and we're going to be using one of these dies to put the sentiment in. The background papers are from A Deep Blue Sea by Carta. The stamp set we're using is from the Stamps of Life, and we're going to be using this one, Let Your Troubles Float Away. And just in case you're not familiar with Stamps of Life, they have die cuts for them too. Just throwing that out there. Okay, and then this is Stampin' Up as well, and they have the oval circles that go with the just the plain circles, and we're using the plain circles. Here is the card base. It's a white card, and it's going to open vertically, but this time it's on the side. And we're going to put this beautiful piece first. This is going to be our background, and I've already gone around the edges with it with the cherry cobbler. So all we have to do is add that to our card base. Try not to put it upside down. Uh-oh, or get it stuck when you don't want it stuck yet. All right, let's see. Perfect. And then these little guys, believe it or not, were just part of that pack that I just threw these little things in there because I didn't need them for something else. I obviously made another project with the funky little cut there, but I decided we're going to use it. So we're going to put this down here because it's fun to use things and do things unexpected. I mean, who wants to be somebody that you always know what they're going to do? You don't want to be that person. You want to be the person that's unexpected, because that's just more fun. And then we're going to put these little blue strips right here. I don't know why. I just saw them in there and thought this would be perfect. So we're going to put these here. And you can do it however you want. You can put them this way, whatever you want to do. I'm just going to plop these here. And for our beautiful image, isn't she just adorable? This is from Creative Fabrica, and I'm going to put a link so you can go look at it. I'll put it in the description and you can go look at it. I love this. I love it for several reasons. One, it's USA flowers, which I like that. Colors, I mean. But also, you don't see her face. And I love images that you don't see the face, because then you can imagine it being anybody. Anyway, I just love it. I love her hair. I love all of it. So we're going to put this over here. And this is our sentiment. Let your troubles float away. I'm going to put it over here, but I need to have them both on here at the same time so I kind of know where I want them. So we could put this here. We could put it over here, which is what I'm probably going to end up doing. So let's do that. Let's put this here. We'll do that first. And then we'll get this little darling. I know you're expecting me to use foam tape, but I'm trying not to use it every day of my life, even though it's fun. Okay, let's see. We can put her here. And that's it, guys. We are done. And it's beautiful and it's unique. And there's the inside. Somebody can write her a wonderful message, or they could just display this on their I don't know, side table. It's beautiful. Thank you so much for coming and just checking out what I'm doing. I really appreciate it. And if you guys like what you're seeing and like this kind of thing, please feel free to like and subscribe and hit that little bell button. And if you have suggestions for some kind of cards that you would like to see, let me know. I'm up to it. I like a challenge now and then. But until I see you again, I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.